So our intent is to use this hand pump to both evacuate the fluid from the transaxle and refill it. We do have to use a pump to do both. That will not be fun under the car, will it?
No.
If it came off.
No.
But anyway, this is as I said, just a hand pump, and hopefully we'll be successful. In the meantime, the first time I went under the car before Alpida arrived, I could not locate the drain plug and the fill plug, so hopefully we're going to be more successful with this. Welcome to the Wednesday show. If this is your first time, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you have been here before, stop it, you're going to make me do it again now. Stop. Welcome to the Wednesday show. Did you get it or
We're rolling.
Okay, welcome to the Wednesday show. If today is your first time with us, welcome. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. Today is a continuation of our attempt to fix our Jaguar, and we are going to work on getting any fluid that might still be in the differential out and refilling it with fresh fluid. So stick around and see if we're going to be successful or not. Alright friends, as you can see here, we have lifted the car and we have put a jack stand next to our jack, the hydraulic jack, for safety. Can you shoot that?
We see it.
Okay. So now we're going to go underneath the car and show you where the plug is, because in every video on the internet it's actually in the wrong place.
Can I get the flashlight?
Yes, it doesn't have a lot of light.
Yeah, but it's gonna help me a little bit.
It might be better if you take that off the suit and use it by hand. Are you...
There's actually the... And that's about 3 feet in on the back side of the... What is this? Differential?
Well, yeah. No, that's not 3 feet. That is the differential.
Okay. That's
So
what I
that
said.
the differential is 3 feet from the back of the car.
Yeah, about.
And
So-
that is probably, what, a couple of inches above the bottom of the differential.
Yeah, and it sticks straight out in the back.
And it is a 3/8.
So it is this plug, and it has a square 3/8 inch connector where you put the coupler back in there. Let me see if I can get it a little more focused.
You
There
might
we
want to
go.
turn the camera so the light... Oh, no, that
Well,
will
when
not
I do that, it
Yeah.
doesn't work. See?
work. Well, no, it wouldn't work because
So
it will be
that's why.
sideways.
But anyway, so there is the plug right there. It is that. That's this. Okay.
Okay. Slowly coming from the differential and the plug. We're going to move out of the car and you're going to see...
And here's the trunk bottom thing.
And the 2 exhaust pipes.
Right, the exhaust pipe here.
And there is no leak on the differential, but I'm afraid it is dry.
Okay, so now we're out of the car.
Okay. Having a rolling mechanics crawler is very helpful here, because you have to go a good distance under the car. This is what we have, and it seems to be working okay for us. Am I hiding this? Am I hiding the license plate?
Yes.
Well, friends, unfortunately, let me get the video. So,
just need to cut and edit that.
Yeah. You're still rolling?
Yep.
Alright, friends. Unfortunately, we weren't lucky today. Even though today was the best day for us to do that, we don't have enough leverage. I have to go out and buy a pipe, and looked around the shop, and while we have a ton of wood, we really don't have any metal, but I need some pipe or something to give me leverage because we were unable to make that badge. It looks like that has never come off since the car was built, wouldn't you say?